If you want to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp, here's the quick and easy way to do it in just a few steps. So for that, let's open your Google Drive app. Make sure you are under the My Drive tab. Now this could be an individual file or even a folder containing other contents. Whatever that you want to share, tap on these three dots. You can either copy link or share from here. If you go to Share, tap on these three dots to manage access. As you can see, initially, it's showing restricted. Tap on this restricted button and select anyone with the link so the other person can access these files from the link. After that, you can tap over where it's showing Viewer and select the type of access you want to grant that other person, viewer, commentator, or editor. And then, you can just copy the link from here to send it, or you can go to the dashboard menu and copy a link from there as well. Lastly, to share this link, open WhatsApp, go to the thread, and here, paste the link, and then just send it. And this is the way to share any Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Thanks for your time.